Nice push. Welcome back, Channel 5 News. Benny's on the spot. Yep. What's the weather like out there, Benny?
Cold. Getting snow. That doesn't seem to stop. Clouds are almost touching the ground. If you look down, it's white. If you look up, it's white. This house is white.
You heard it live from Benny. How's it going, everyone? Been a long year, long year. Snowplow season is upon us, and it's coming quick. Check out where we are. So it is November 29th, 2022. This is an updated video where we are now. If you guys have been following along, I've been uploading videos of work we did earlier this season. I just couldn't keep up with making the videos as the season progressed, but I have a lot of hardscape content set up and ready. I just got to put it together, make the videos. But snowplow season is coming. It's coming quick. And this is what we've been doing most recently. Getting my plow ready. I have a video lined up for us going through this plow, maintaining it. We're in the process of grinding it down, and we got a cool little plan in store for painting it. It's not going to be painted that yellow like it is now. We're actually going to get creative with it. So there's going to be a few videos about this plow coming up soon. Think they're going to be good videos, Ben? Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll see. But the purpose of this video is to bring back a video or a playlist of videos from this prior season of snow plowing. I would say prior season, this year, 2022, but it was in late January 29th actually. It was a pretty wild storm, so this video is just a bunch of clips from that day. I have a full playlist of that entire storm. Make sure you check that playlist out. It's in the link in the description below. And let's just get right into the clips from that day.
Outstanding, dude.
Yeah,
Look at you.
Come on.
Look at you.
Come on.
Let's get a look at Travis too. How's Travis look?
Travis is always looking good.
Travis, how you looking, dude?
I'm looking great.
Yeah, peanut butter pretzel time. He's getting his energy, bud. You look good too. Come on.
you.
Show the camera yourself a little more often. That's some deep snow, Benny.
Deep and hard.
You talking sexually to me?
Yeah, you know, I thought about that after I said it. No, it didn't sound so good.
Oh man, clear the ice off my windshield again.
Barely even see. Literally looks like the clouds are touching the ground, but it's all snow.
Nice push.
Benny! What's up, bud?
Dude, that was quick.
How you doing, bro? What do you got here, dude? That's at least 4 inches, bro.
No, definitely.
You want me to grab a shovel instead of this camera and help you?
Yeah,
I'll go get it. I'll get my shovel. Damn it, gotta get my shovel. If you're still with me, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed all these clips from that blizzard. It was a crazy storm. I got a lot of videos from it, so if you're interested, if you haven't seen it, make sure you check the link out in the description below for the playlist that has all the videos from this storm. And like I said at the beginning of this video, got a lot of things going on with my plow right now, and there'll be some videos of us maintaining it, grinding it down, and repainting it. At that point, it's just a matter of whenever God blesses us with this nice fluffy white gold. There will be plenty of plow videos this season to come, and I can't wait to put my video editing skills to use and try to make some better videos than I have in the past. Thanks again for watching this video, guys, and until the next one, God bless. Peace.